We arrived in Juneau on Monday the 16th of July. There was a light shower and it was about 15 degrees Celsius.
Hello. This way. Come on. North to Alaska. Every side of crab has one claw, you know? The left one is a feeding one, right one is a killer one. See inside the pot. Inside the pot.
Wow.
Well, here we go. It's gonna pull it out. Oh yeah.
Look at the size of those.
We should be able to figure that one out.
Yeah.
Between of them.
It's 13 miles.
How much? 13? There's a big bear behind you.
I know, I've already taken a picture of him.
We're walking up to Nugget Falls, which is about how long? About a mile away? Nugget Falls! Photo bomb! I'm here!
North to Alaska, does it work for you?
Absolutely!
Here come the cyclists. Here we are cycling back from the Mendenhall Glacier back to the cruise ship, back to Juneau. And it's not raining, so we are very happy.
Back to a glass of wine and a hot tub.
One of the Twin Lakes. A little bit wet up ahead. We'll survive. Now we got rain on the lens. There's a puppy playing.
Oh, look at it! Well done!
Good puppies.
Good puppies!
Now it's raining. Barney had her puppy time. Oh well. Can't be in Alaska without a little bit of rain.
It's still pretty warm though.
Yeah, it's not cold, so it's good. Having a good time. And now we're coming to the conclusion of our bike ride. Here's the building for Cycle Alaska.
Back on board to have a quick dinner and dry off and explore the city of Juneau. And there's the Capitol building that the policeman just directed us to. Barney found is it a grizzly bear? I think it might be. Oh, he's a big boy.
Who runs? We've taken a selfie. We're
Oh,
friends.
yes.
Oh, he's got a salmon.
Yeah.
How nice.
Yeah, yeah. Look at him, isn't he a beauty? We're walking back to the ship after being up at the Capitol building. And they're all coming in for the night. Good night,
to, hold on, what day is it? Wait, what town is this? What day is it?
Who knows?
Welcome to Amsterdam. No, that's the ship.
Tanzanite studs. What is it? Oh, hang on, I'm going up and down wrong. Bloopers again. Blooper reel. Obviously no cubs around or else he'd be attacking you. Pavement. Yeah, go the other way. You guys can walk and I'll vlog. This is the Alaskan Heritage Building.
It's actually Sea Alaska.
Oh. Sea Alaska.
Sea Alaska.
No.
Sea
Alaska.
Sea Alaska. Mom will put subtitles in for you.